Alright, this is mostly going to be me testing out editing on Linux. But for those of you who don't know, for the season of Advent, for the Advent calendar, every year I normally do a challenge, usually a tech-related challenge. I don't usually post it online or anything, but this year I'm going to make Linux my daily driver from December 1st to December 25th, and see what goes from there. It's been going pretty much alright. If it wasn't for the fact that for my photography business, I use Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Lightroom, I probably could make Linux my daily driver. Some games that I play wouldn't work, but a good amount that I do play will work. Yeah. A couple of frustrations that I'm having. One, the webcam that I am using right now is weird. I have to use oddball software to get it to work. Right now I'm using GUV CView, which actually is pretty good. I'm not going to say that's oddball software. But I can't get OBS to work properly with this webcam, which is the Logitech C920. It works for maybe 5 minutes. If I do anything like change scenes where that webcam isn't being used, or this webcam, it freezes. And I wind up needing to reboot to get it to work. I've even tried the command line to reset the video drivers. Doesn't work. I got it to freeze up, and I can use it on this app, so it is a bit weird. Another thing that I find a little odd is my personal finance software that I use, which is Money Manager EX, completely open source, uses WX widgets, which is used throughout the Linux system, started on Linux, and half of the libraries that it relies on are Linux libraries. I can't get it to compile on Linux. It's fully open source, but there's no Linux builds that are newer than like 3-year-old old version. I can't deal with that one. So I've had to relegate running the Windows version of Money Manager EX through Wine. So I'm running a completely open source piece of software that theoretically should work on Linux through Wine, because it relies on calls that are Windows or Mac specific, and doesn't have any like checks to see if it's on Linux, I guess. I've looked at the error parts of the source code, and it's kind of weird. I might have to download WX widgets, the source code, and build it on Linux. I'm not sure yet. Yeah. But yeah, I just wanted to throw together a video. I might not even post it up on YouTube, so I gotta fix my headset. I gotta super glue it. The damn plastic right here snapped. Having a bad week. Alright. Yeah. I'll probably post this anyway just for content. And I will see you guys in the 2021 year in review that I normally shoot after Christmas. Alright, everybody. Have a good one.